Do you want to automate repetitive tasks in Excel and boost your productivity? In this tutorial, we will dive into Excel macros, your key to automating workflows within a single click. Let's get started. Step 1, Enable Developer tab. First, let's check if you have the Developer tab enabled. If you don't see it, right click anywhere on the ribbon, select Customize ribbon, and then check the Developer option from the right column. Click OK, and now the Developer tab should be visible. In the Developer tab, you will find two key options, Macro and Record Macro. We will start by recording a macro. Click Record Macro and you will be prompted to give it a name. Next, you will need to choose where it to save it. Always select Personal Macro Workbook so it's available for future use. Once you hit OK, the macro will start recording your actions. Now let's automate a set of repetitive tasks. First, I will delete any extra sheets from the workbook. Every time the macro runs, it will prompt for confirmation before deleting them. Next, in the guest dimension sheet, I need to filter the dataset to show only the male guests. For that, I will apply a filter for female, delete those rows, and then remove the filter to retain only the male guest dataset. Then, in the booking transaction sheet, I need to keep only confirmed booking. So I will filter the status column, remove cancels booking and clear the filter afterward. Moving on to the staff dimension sheet, I will filter the dataset to show all the security team as required. Finally, in the maintenance transaction sheet, I was asked to filter all the tickets that are in progress and removing all the other status. Once done, I will stop the recording by going back to Developer tab and click Stop Recording. As you stop recording, you need to close the file. So you will get two notifications. One is of saving the file changes. It's up to you. But when you get the next notification, be careful because it's asking to save the macro for next use. So always save it. Now let's test our macro on the similar dataset. I will open a new workbook and go to the developer tab, click macros, find the one we just created and click it and hit run. The macro prompt me to confirm deleting extra sheets, and once allowed, all the changes happen instantly, just like that with a single click. And that's how you can automate repetitive tasks using Excel macros. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Excel automation tips. See you next time in next week.